Yo, hello guys, welcome back again on another video tonight. Today in this video I'm going to discuss take you guys really how you're going to execute a trade on your BYBIT. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, my name is Lawrence. I create videos how to make money online. I create videos how to become an affiliate marketer and some tech tips. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash the red subscription button and click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for being alongside with me right away from the beginning at this moment. And if you like my video, please thumbs me up. I'm going to take you guys really how you're going to execute a trade on BYBIT. So right now here you can see this my BYBIT app, and you can see here this my balance. I have about $89 right away on my total assets. So we can see here, let's see, you can see some coins which you can be able to trade, do your future trading. So you can see this is first, once you have logged in, you can see home here, and you can see your markets, and your trade is always going to be on derivatives. You click on derivatives here, and on derivatives you make sure it should be on USDT perpetual, and then we have trade here, and then we have assets here, right? This is your assets. You can see funding I have, and then unified trading account. So of which for the first time I found 20 something dollars, and then this was the interest I made from my own future trade. So far I've transferred it back to the funding account. So you can see here, you can see you can withdraw, can transfer, convert, and then give away. Okay, so the main purpose of this video is to teach you guys how you can be able to execute a trade on BYBIT. So right now here, this is your coin, and let's say this is maybe want to trade on the BTC USDT. So let's try to execute a trade here right now here. Let's say click on this, on the BTC USDT. So right now here you have to transfer funds. If you have not, you have to transfer your funds to unified trading account before you can be able to trade. Okay, so you have to transfer. You can see, let's say, or you want to convert or to transfer funds to the unified trading account. You can, okay, let's say transfer. Click on transfer, then from funding account to unified trading account, you can see here, this is maximum, the whole amount which I have on my funding account. I can say confirm. You can see transfer successfully, and then let's go to derivative account and then click on trade. You can see available balance up here, it has increased to 87.1311 cents dollars. Okay, so now we are going to execute a trade. So you can see, now let me explain something here. We have isolated, you can see isolated, and we have cross margin, and we have portfolio margin. So as for me, I always like making selecting isolated margin. So I'm going to explain the difference between isolated margin and then cross margin. This isolated margin is a regular users for the spot. So, and then we have cross margin, which is regular users as well. But then if you're going to choose cross margin, that means once you place your trades and your trade is about to liquefied, you can be able to source money, whether it's on funding account or on unified trading account. Once your money is going down, that is liquefied, you have to source money from your account in order to complete the trade. But on isolated margin, it's selected simply because like the amount you want to use it for that particular trade. So far now you can see
okay, we have to select the isolated margin, and then make sure your adjust leverage. This is where you can manage. This is risk management. You understand? Risk management. So as for me, most of my trade I always put it on 10x and then save it. So as I save it on 11x right now here, so I might be like, okay, I have to select only $34. So I'm going to enter a trade with that $34. Once the $34, maybe I've liquefied my money, it's not going to pick any money from funding account or trading account in order to complete the trade. Once the $34 has finished, that's finished. That's what is called risk management. You risk the money on that particular trade. You understand? And then we have available, we have a market, we have limits, we have market order, we have conditional, we have chest limit order, we have scaled order, and TYLP, and then iceberg. So as for me, I normally choose market order based on the price right at that moment, and then enter my trade. So that's how I normally do it. So you can see here, I've choose about $34, which I'm going to enter the trade. And then from down here you can see we have a TP/SL, which is you have where you are going to increase your and take profits and then stop losses triggers. Then you have to increase it how you want it to be. On that $34, which I have to place the trade to give me interest. If it grows to 150%, it's going to give me $50 adding on that $34 which I've entered the trade with. And then we have stop lose. That is when your trade is liquefied, so we can stop the lose at the rate of $25, or you can adjust it, or you can use the digit here. That's well, it's still normal, you can do it. And then we have buy/long trade, and then sell/short trade. So you have to, or you want to buy or you want to sell it. It's all what you want to do based on the trades or the signal. So like I'm into a group which actually provide signals. So if you actually want us to add you into the group, you can also contact us on WhatsApp, so that we can add you into the group where you can be able to start getting signals and start making your trade, start printing money as well. So right now here I've explained about isolated, and then 11x, and then market order or limit order, and then we have quantity, and then cost of the money you're going to enter the trade with, and then we have stop lose, and then take profit. So we explain about buy/long, we explain about sell/short. Okay, so that is all about it. And then here we are going to enter a trade. As you can see, the BTC is going down, so now we're going to enter a trade which is sell/short. So we're going to raise about $34, and then let me see. Okay, my take profit should be at 100%, and then stop losses should be at 10 and 30%. Then I'll be like confirm, and then enter the trade, then confirm. So right now the trade is ongoing. You can see here it's showing unrealized P and L, and then you can see my money start counting because the BTC is actually going down. It's going down, so you can see the interest has start coming. You can see the percent is counting this side, and the interest is this other side where you see green here. And then you can see BTC is USDT, and then here you can be able to be adjusting your your take profit and then stop lose. You can see it here. You can adjust it as well when you know that, okay, maybe you check the trade is going against of what you plan, or according to the signal. You can adjust it, and then you can close your trade. You can click on this close by where you're going to confirm. You click on confirm, and then you can stop trade. Okay, so this is all about it on how you can be able to execute your trades. You can make money. I deposited only $20, but I've made up to $100 on this particular BYBIT account. I've been making money from it. So if you actually need a group where you can be able to start getting signals and start making money from your trades, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, so that I will add you up on the Telegram channel and start making money, start printing money, start making money, start printing money from BYBIT. So that's how you can be able to. And then my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can be able to register account. For those of you don't know how to register account on BYBIT, we'll follow up and do verification so that you guys will see it. So thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate, as I earlier said, my name is Lawrence. I create videos how to make money online, create videos how to become an affiliate marketer, and some tech tips. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash the red subscription button, click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. So more content will be coming in about BYBIT or making money online on my channel here. So all I need from you guys is just to subscribe. You can see here the unrealized P and L. You can see the percent discounting. You can click percent discounting. You can see I've made about 0.16 cents dollars right now. So I can cancel the trade as well. You can close the trade here. Click close the trade. So that is it.